Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel if you're new to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're not new to my channel. So, today for you, I have a Allure beauty box. So this is the Allure beauty box of December, which I bought from Amazon for $10 because the first box you get for $10. And then every box from then on is $15. I really don't know much about Allure beauty box. I know that there's been some iffy things, but they recently partnered with APH, and I saw some spoilers, and I decided to get it because I was like, why not? It's cheap for APH, and this thing is filled to the max. If you see this outfit, I did just film my BoxyCharm unboxing, which will be linked below, of course. So this is the Allure beauty box cover on the inside, and then on the back it says Anastasia Beverly Hills Bra Wiz. I'm assuming inside it tells you the spoilers. Yup, we're not gonna look at those. It also says the prices and has some coupon codes. So I'm so sorry. I'll give you some coupon codes after I'm done showing you. Oh my god, I have the hiccups. It comes all packaged. I don't want to spoil it, with some tissue paper, which is super cute because if you're giving this as a gift, like, you would want it to be all packaged. The first item I see is the Christopher, oh my god, I'm a beauty guru, is the Christopher Robin, and it comes in plastic packaging. It looks like it's written in French. So it is a cleansifying, purifying scrub with sea salt. Oh, the smell is to die for. I think this is for hair. Oh, it's a shampoo. Why does it just say shampoo on it though? Oh my god, it smells so good. So it's for oily hair, and it's shiny and light. It feels like a scrub. It smells amazing. It's just like a little scrub. I'll be super excited to try this out. If I edit this after I've tried this, I will put the update. It's editing Anna, and it's been a long day, so don't mind my face and the way I look, and I don't sound great either. I tried this stuff. I loved it. It took away a lot of greasiness that I had in my hair. My hair is like in a ponytail right now, so you can't see it. I left it at home for my mom to try because she really likes that kind of stuff. But I tried it. It's good. I give it a thumbs up. It's very expensive for the price though, so I'm gonna try and find some alternatives and post it on my Reddit, which will now be linking in my video as well, so go follow me on Reddit. Yeah. Try this. So it's basically a shampoo, and I'm gonna look at the cost of this. The cost to this is $53. Is this full-sized? No, for 246 milliliters, and this is 40 milliliters. So the price of this is on the screen. Wow. This stuff is expensive for a shampoo, but I don't think it's a shampoo that you use every day. I will try this out. I'm super excited to try that out. The next item in the box is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. So it is for your face. Oh, it squirts out like that. By the way, this is what it looks like. And it has a little dollop. Oh, it's like one of those very thin moisturizers, which I like thin moisturizers better than thicker ones. That's just my preference. It's getting so dark. I'm so sorry. It looks dark in my room. Give me a sec to turn on the light. Lighter in here now. I think that's a little bit better just for lighting purposes. Okay, so the First Aid Beauty moisturizer, it's a thin moisturizer, and let's see the cost of this / if this is full sized. This is $24, the full size product. 50 milliliters is the full size. So this is a full sized item. It's 24 items, which already covers the cost of the box. So I have another moisturizer, face moisturizer, which I don't have any right now. The next item in here is one of the first Anastasia Beverly Hills items. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which is good, which means that any hair color / skin tone can use this. It comes all packaged up. I'm gonna throw the packaging to the side. Don't think this is full size. This is $22, and it doesn't say if this is full sized or not, but I will check. I will make sure if this is. So it's basically just a clear brow gel. Oh, it smells so bad. Holy Holy heck. Oh my god, this smells like alcohol. Like rubbing. Oh my god, that smell is so strong. I mean, I like it, but I'll put my brows in place. Yeah, there's nothing too bad about that. Nothing too special. It's just a clear brow gel that I put on my eyebrows, but I'll be using that now, and I'm excited. It was $22. I'll put it on the screen if it wasn't. The next item is an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip in the shade Bohemian. Oh my god, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills lips. I have 2. They're just so expensive. So getting one in here with a bunch of other items. Again, why are there so many instructions in these liquid lips, by the way? It is this liquid lip. It is a darky plummy shade, and it swatches really pretty. I just have my liquid lip on, so I don't want to put another one on. But it swatches pretty. Oh my god. I swatched in the worst place. It's like a dark liquid, vampy liquid lip. Probably very smudge proof. I'm super excited for that. That's going in my makeup bag because it's another one. And those are $20. And I know that's full sized. So I'm excited for that. And then the last item, which of course comes with a instruction sheet and comes padded up, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, which this is what the spoiler I saw. This originally goes, I believe, for $40, and you get a whole box for $10. The full size price is $40. And since I don't have any highlighter on right now, and yeah, it's a beautiful palette. It's a swatched. That looks swatched. Oh, it looks swatched on camera, but it's not in the palette. Maybe I'm just dumb. I have brush. It is the Smashbox brush. I don't know. It doesn't say anything on it. I think I'm going to use the shade Pink Heart. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around so that you can see it. So, you guys are flipped to the other side. So, this is what the palette looks like when you shine a light on it. There is no mirror in here, sadly. I did swatch them now. This is the shade Pink Heart. This is the shade Lucky Clover. This is the shade Blue Moon. This is the shade Purple Horseshoe. This is the shade Star. And then on the other hand, this is the shade Blue Ice. So they're all super cool and super different. I'm gonna just throw them on my arm. They're just so pretty. I'm just obsessed. And the shade Pink Heart, the one that I put on my face. I hope I look like all shiny and pretty. Like, I can't wait to look at the footage back. Actually, I have a mirror right next to me. Why don't I use that? Ready? This is a reveal. Oh, that looks beautiful. And it's like a soft highlight. Like, I'm super happy with that. Oh, I look prinky and highlighter. Okay, I'm not gonna flip the camera out. I hope this looks fine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you'll stick with my channel. My name's Anna. I hope you like me. All my social media is linked down below. I have my Depop, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and my TikTok. All social medias, which I'm super active on. Send me a DM in any of them, and I'll respond. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I hope to see you today on another video.